for aha Ghana SMTVGH, mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. For the more yetie nsem baako mmienu bi about the way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama governor on my way in his first chance the more we realize say a big mistake, in fact a terrible mistake, allowing NDC to even sell their message to Ghanaians and returning to power 2024. Now, the new details that are coming out in the for is so bad. So bad. Mukai say some of the Kumawood actors, Eba Bontibeka say, and Mahama 1.0 no. Na ye mama na the omine sika taxes are na ye chiano. Editor Kama, some of the so-called celebrities for free. You remember those stories, right? Now, it appears, say, one of the NDC executives at that time, also one a friend said, Nika Abanji, Ombeji. And as executive, no, onim kachi, and or the car no, a command, ni small girl, niba bakum. Now, according to the story, the girl that received the car on behalf of that executive, onunkwa na ni papa ni mami ba. Onunkwa o. Enti okoji car no ase jama ochi cruise. Cruise ni ma na okonya accident. No wuye ya. Now, this issue, there are two aspects to it. One is physical, one is spiritual. Ebetimi aba mu say ebia car no answer na yedi ma nkrofo a ombe use no ebia omu dia spiritual ade bi, because we say moja they important, and we know say most politicians they depend on blood to do a lot of things. And maybe I'm being overly suspicious or I'm being overly superstitious, okay? But Ukraine say a bit me by Ukraine. Second one, said on mine one, there are spirits that back every nation. And obia use your mind sika. Edi yeniyama and say fatano. Sometimes the nation has its own ways of teaching people a lesson. I will be someone who say, if that time, 2012, late 2012, ever 2016, now your man John Mahama, a sad day now to me, dear Sikayeno. Any way, dear, say, dear, Jinyami plastic chairs. And I think, say, because who the way they are no corner, the way there is no developmental project, but every now and then we are being told, say, Sikaneho, they are owing people, but there's no money in the system. It can only tell, say, Ebia, Sikano now, they are not spending it on the actual people that need it. And Crawford to say these revelations, Crawford that are benefiting from government, just a few people. Mobile, answer. You can help this channel by donating to the number beneath to support our studio project. As a mama, what I'm here to tell you is our studio project now. We want to get a beautiful studio, our Volta Reading Hall, where we'll be creating content and be posting here as you love it. Beautiful studio. We'll be doing podcasting and interviews and so. Now, budget no 30,000 Ghana cedis. Budget me 30,000 Ghana cedis. Now, 30,000 Ghana cedis, dollars, maybe $2,800 on. When you send Papa Kubetna, sorry, or live, or among our viewers, say, Okasadodo, $2,800 per big container. It's not by no, but some boy. But there's an interesting conversation, story of my catcher mono. Nipa or Kai, soundbite me upness, and they don't go anywhere. Hi, Ghana TVGH. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Yeah, about them, I mean, can the exact value. Say, I mean, a mistake for ha. Cut at the end, when I know 42 million, runners up 30 million, third place 27 million, fourth place 25 million, quarter final 17 million, and 116, 13 million, and group stage, group stage new year 9 million. Inti misa say your company na per profiter per our resource any history where any African country baby are the highest that we've gone to. So obi current some boamia obi quarter final World Cup African country be quarter final kai asabwa mujano no me wo member samwa jano time no ewo of friend is say South Africa any Uruguay say they call 116 or so any different even a hawk round South Africa they not a new say not value no say even now if per the same calculation by 4 million dirhams $4 million increment in coming World Cup no krana 42 no about 46 million in that order in that order. Until the point is the highest any African country have gone to 116 grand down or quarter final that is the last $116 million, and you a poor country like Ghana cost spend it into company near them as a 5 year jumane pesika cost spend it of friend is saying for that matter $30 million. Would that do soon? New recruited nurses and nurses, about 4 or 5 batches or 3 or 4 batches of nurses and teachers are home. I employ them. I mean, mention them, the problem of the country, sanitation, environment. Ball Accra, intimacy. Mention them. Now, we see.
You see, why Clefe, Minchawano. You see, the sad part is that Randy Abbey, in charge of Cocoa Board, see what sponsor or cocoa prizes, cocoa for.
Why he's useless. Me, you should say, where's not the back of father? Another useless CEO ever seen. Useless. Not tea. Okay, yeah, the Pando House of Lions grammar went to me. Pando House of Lions. Went to me. Who see who beats my cocoa board? Oh, yeah, I'll come to him. See, so the point is that for this breakdown of the amount of the World Cup prize value, say we a third world country. That's a whole call World Cup. Well, but thinking about the conditions of man whom post-COVID, Russia-Ukraine war, your IMF conditionality, any adeno. Ubeko say sikase. Na omo like current kind. Mahama dear enye news so. Media sometimes I remember looking at him at the sauna. A black pork calling a cattle black. Somebody like him calling or no calling will be so corrupt. Gradinya couple. Yagohe Airport, the price value of the airport now $260 million. Akufo-Addo ADC 2 airport. Accra Circle Dubai. What do you see? How many interchange? Sorry. See, enti nkrofo we enyam ngwangon. Die ya na gidigidi omo ye nyina ya na de omo ya ne se. Ya ni asofo ne nkrofo bi omo wo manum. It is that obi na come emre wa ye ni papa he's a very soft and pushover person, ready to spend and being corrupt and spend through money just like that, for which Akufo-Addo and Bawumia will never do those things. Into a software when him say, oh, me call or better car, mammy. Obekaya 2012 election. Mr. What talka na is chupa chops. Akwale bi alego na midum no kokko jibi. Madam Fubi just say a man dey na just say omo a sebi mochi enyam no ho na na bia. O check 2012 obi anko.
Oh. Why left me no this issue will be there's a guy on so in Nebusia, they stopped voting for NDC. Or NDC for they stopped voting for NDC because Omo ma ni nua ketewa girl owo Legon car I10 ni bi na on sheda nim driving into no dey ahun pepere kosua driver as an nsa anje ho papa and odi konya accident wuye and according to that family no because of that
Eh,
they
sika.
say they
Ah,
will
sika.
go this year.
Me se me near that I mean can't. I know a taxi driver. Now I have me talk those that I didn't pay attention to. One day me buy am friend or the car busy. And I ne papa constituency or why on your or one your friends or medical. Wakwa ko jaba. Enti se me ni nyina so I say be me. Or check us papa 2012 election. No. This is the people we talking about. Oh, enti see Ankrofo we know no. No, no, he was rather telling us in the other way, say, Mon fanning free on them dinner me to us. Indirectly, that was all I was telling us. It is not that or baby bo mine, amomana be do my baby papabia. Because ye and send no juma pain. Ye would your yeah. For Christ's sake, in 20 years to come, so every year be a Ghana. He decided 30 million population. He decided say every year be a change. In 20 years, he nipa for pet and he be the president. He nipa for pet until we na opportunity near the arch or money show and sa. Assessor will serve with all diligence. And dear better papa we yeah. Now your friends say mail said in it financiers near uncle Bora Mununku to bet me decide on anybody at all. Take harsh decision on people. No, what did he do? A cast talk. A him for talk as a him for me be at Edian we saw him. Eti or him a young one. We would dear to say the current kind. They have a way create loot and share. Now na they are na say. They are very very good crafty. Yes, a dream kase we no. They are able quickly to point to Ghanaians and so ya adwen from tea. Na hempo obi papa or wakoma pa or share or minor near the bufu near money decided like the last election. That is the pain, especially the Gen Z's mobile. Sometimes yeah, because near many boy you bring rollers and crop for PNDC and DC near DC. Osha, in fact, Osha Kufo Amemu, most of them no more bomb bra a Juma in top positions. No man win lot of things. Yeah, the show more time. PNDC and DC, including as you don't some of them were teachers, and this is what we voted for. And Ghana, me no near maybe why the only thing is that opportune time, no. Yen fear into form na say time be do na so mu bi twa kontumpa. Wo mu ne DC kama na yefe o. Sika NDC. Emma, Mr. Moving to us.
Oh, first time a Ghana yenya a woman a vice president oh Shanife Nikente Fran Shanife or sisters in what did you say? And now who abaye muyedin we dwaneko. And a grandma jina ho na osa yenti obia. Womreko a martin ewuwu.
Oh, waba America or drive Uber, why?
I'm making. So when no wabesha America drive Uber. Ghana yeah din so no we Johnny. I feel oh yeah excuse say or best supervise ni ba o said there ben. What's now journalists for more Ghana nyina sabio apart from a handful no mo ye good mo amaka nyina mo ya mwa because want to me enko Jessica na wo metna ho na won defend the indefensible na anyone say John Mahama or drag Ghana ekodichimu ena musi wo na munyina mo hwe na asofo amowo Ghana munyina mo hwe bi Christian council for mo gu ho mo hwe bi enso mo na mo kita Bible said do wo nyonko sa wo ho. Yes, God created us in his own image. And think we your software ni there. And ka yan brain because we now know Nyankopon mo connection no. Na ye enti na ya ni abet na mo na ase. Enti ka yan brain wu na ese udi kan kojo Mahama no ho kokacha and say hey Afa de aye yie. Enso mo nyina ma gigigigigi brown envelopes. Ena mo di say super glue say starch yo say dey aka say enso mo akoye surgery ma ya pam ma no na aboso a. Captain
Lady
Smart
Simba, so
aye
now
ne
we're
tum
up
se poble. Waye nanim tum se poble o senso cobra. De bio betna ho akohie. Mo dada Ghana fo ya ma o makwa akoto aba akofa bosom ya besi ho e na Ghana man no sisi ase ya na ese na sa magra hype na wo bo ni de ne sister Ekria sa
Lady
idiot
C,
na
what do you
o
mention there in
Italy
the
ho no
time?
we hu eye mo bo se eye areho eye areho se sebi omo ni mo hwie nso na eye omo be kasa o hwe boy bi na comedian bi ono nso se ye frɛ ne wa che wo Ghana ho no. Ena another guy be unity onensa nensa mienu nyina etwitwa minim so nya accident o seden bi chese beti asem ono so abegina kan fa cocoa farmers no ho step
Lady
ya
C,
dem me fa manu nsi why no bi mre mu bi na Ghana for no di omo echi a obekwan saa obewie na minim ye oya me da
Lady C, me that's ebusa for jina see abomodin na like Emma me ai koso na like repost ya repost Emma me ai yegusua ai ye opese support fat base so a your number ne da on you can support us through the number na e da screen so no Mr. Marcus me pa cho yenko